Ever feel like your finances are a mystery? You spend money here, you spend money there, but where exactly does it all go? That's where money management apps like Snoop come in. They promise to shed light on your spending habits, categorize your transactions, and even help you save some cash. But with all this access to your hard-earned money, a crucial question arises: is Snoop a trusted app? Let's face it, handing over your bank account details can feel a bit like giving up the keys to your financial kingdom. So, before you download Snoop, buckle up for a deep dive into its security measures, features, and what users are saying. Security first: how Snoop protects your cash. Snoop relies on a concept called open banking. Here's the gist. Instead of directly accessing your bank account login, Snoop uses secure APIs, think of them as digital doorways, provided by your bank itself. This means Snoop never sees your actual password or login details. They can only see the transaction data you authorize them to access. Think of it like this: you wouldn't hand over your house keys to a friend who wants to borrow a cup of sugar, right? Open banking works the same way. Snoop gets a safe, limited view of your finances, just enough to help you manage your money. But security goes beyond access control. Snoop boasts industry-standard encryption to keep your data safe from prying eyes. They're also registered with the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, meaning they're held to strict regulatory standards. So, from a security standpoint, Snoop appears to be playing it straight. Okay, it's secure, but what can Snoop actually do? Now that we've addressed the elephant in the room, let's explore what Snoop brings to the table. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Transaction tracking and categorization. Tired of manually sorting through your bank statements? Snoop automatically categorizes your spending, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. From groceries to entertainment, you'll see exactly how much you're spending in each category. Budgeting tools. Need help sticking to a budget? Snoop can help you set spending goals and track your progress. It'll send you alerts if you're nearing your limits, keeping you on the financial straight and narrow. Bill management. Say goodbye to missed bill payments. Snoop can help you keep track of upcoming bills and even send you reminders to ensure you never incur a late fee again. Money saving tips. Looking to squeeze some extra cash out of your budget? Snoop uses your spending habits to identify areas where you can potentially save. It can even suggest cheaper alternatives for your bills and subscriptions. Free versus premium. What's the catch? Snoop offers a free tier with basic features like transaction tracking and categorization. But to unlock the full potential, including budgeting tools and personalized money-saving tips, you'll need to upgrade to their premium plan. Here's the thing: there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to free versus premium. If you're just looking for a basic overview of your spending, the free tier might suffice. However, if you're serious about taking control of your finances, the premium features could be a worthwhile investment. What do users say about Snoop? Snoop generally receives positive reviews. Users appreciate its user-friendly interface, helpful budgeting tools, and money-saving suggestions. However, some users find the data presentation confusing, and there's a common concern surrounding the security of sharing bank details with a third-party app. The verdict: is Snoop a trustworthy financial bloodhound? Based on our investigation, Snoop appears to prioritize security with open banking technology and industry-standard encryption. They're also FCA registered, adding a layer of trust. As for features, Snoop offers a good mix of free and premium tools to help you manage your finances. Ultimately, the decision to trust Snoop comes down to your personal comfort level with sharing financial data and your specific budgeting needs. Remember, do your research and weigh the pros and cons before handing over your bank account details to any app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.